Hello, I'm Graham Neal, Managing Director of GNA, Graham Neal Associates. Our business focuses in three areas: developing managers and leaders, building effective teams, and providing high-level executive coaching support. In the next 2 minutes, I will describe to you what we do, how you might want to engage with us as a potential client, and what makes us different from other training providers. GNA comprises a network of consultants with real-life management experience. We've been working with managers and teams for 20 years. We've worked at main board level. We've also worked with more junior people, with individuals who are managing for the first time. We've worked in different countries, in the United States, in Africa, in the Middle East, in mainland Europe, and of course in the UK. And we've worked with different types of organisations, from the large multinational, from working in the public sector, to the small private enterprise. In our experience, the challenges are usually the same. We can see a common set of challenges facing managers and teams: how to get up to speed quickly, how to communicate effectively in remote teams, and how to manage direct reports in different countries where there's sometimes limited chance to get face-to-face. The pace of change and competition has meant that individuals and teams need to work smarter, sometimes in a virtual environment, and often in a matrix organisation where the boundaries aren't always clear. This requires personal leadership and the ability to influence effectively with or without formal authority. So how do we at GNA help you to address these challenges? We're practical, grounded, and most of all applied. Our starting point is what the business is looking to achieve, and we look at that before addressing the behaviours of managers and individuals. Our passion is creating learning experiences that have an application to work, and we invest time in trying to understand the culture of the organisation that we're working with before we engage with you. We value challenge and feedback and offer it in an environment that is safe and confidential, and that encourages individuals to experiment with their own behaviour. We have an expertise in creating experiences that cater for different learning styles. We use experiential projects, reviews, contemporary business models in a combination that achieves high impact. Where appropriate, we reinforce this with case studies, 360 feedback, and psychometric profiles. You will see some of these on the website. You'll also see a questionnaire that we commonly use with teams to help team members provide feedback on their performance and set an agenda for areas they want to address in the future. The GNA network comprises a number of experienced coaches from diverse business backgrounds. They are all formally qualified, and more importantly have a passion for helping individuals to achieve business goals, change behaviour, and realise potential. Before we undertake a coaching assignment, we would contract with you, the client, and the coachee to ensure there's clarity, and then an agree approach that will help you get there. An example of that approach is described on the website. There's also a questionnaire there designed to help you and us focus on the right areas before we get started. I want to briefly mention what we do with 360 feedback. We're licensed to use Gold 2020 Insight, a tool that is most commonly used to produce an individual 360 report to support a management development initiative, but it could also be used for a coaching assignment. There is another application of Gold 2020, and that is in the production of employment satisfaction surveys or customer satisfaction surveys. In the last section of the website, Tools for Effective Performance, you'll see that we're offering a range of diagnostics: Myers-Briggs Type Indicator, FIRO-B, the Strength Deployment Inventory, and these are individual tools that can be used with both managers and with teams. So we hope you'll take some time to look around the website. We look forward to hearing from you. Please give us a call or send us an email.